So there was a total of 748 oranges and apples at the fruit stall in the morning. By afternoon, the number of oranges sold was thrice the number of apples sold. So we have oranges and apples. The number of apples left was twice the number of oranges left. There were 22 more apples left than the apples sold. So since the oranges sold was thrice of the number of apples sold, instead of using 3 and 1, I'm going to use 6 units and 2 units, because later on we notice that the apples has to be twice of the number of oranges. So we're just going to keep it as a multiple of 2, just so that we have a convenient number later on. If there were 22 more apples left than apples sold, so 2 units of apples were sold, that means there will be 2 units plus 22 apples left. The number of apples was twice of the oranges left. So oranges will be half of this, which is 1 unit plus 11. So dividing by 2 and dividing by 2. Now if we work backwards, the original number of oranges will be adding on the 6 units, so that's 7 units plus 11. As for the apples, we add on the 2 units, so that's 4 units plus 22. So they have a total of 748 at first. Okay, so then we can see that from the first row, the total number of apples and oranges is 11 units plus 33 is equal to 748. Therefore, 11 units will be 748, subtracting off 33 to be 715. So if we want 1 unit, simply divide off 11, and that will give us 65. So how many apples were sold? That's 2 units, which is 130 for part A. For part B, how many oranges were there in the morning? That's 7 units plus 11. Okay, which over here would then be 65 multiplying by 7 and plus 11, giving us 466 for part B.